Hello my unique queens, Quiana Unique here. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to turn this Santa shirt into a sexy cute Santa dress. And if you would like to see what I do with this elf shirt, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button and make sure that you subscribe to the channel because that video will be coming out very soon. But for now, let's go ahead and get into this shirt. You want to lay this shirt out right side out so you can see the design that's on the front. We want to keep as much of that design as possible. Next, you're going to want to find a dress that you feel absolutely sexy in your wardrobe and pull it out and use it as a pattern. My dress is a rayon polyester blend with a lot of polyester, and so it definitely stretches a lot. So what I'm going to do is I'm pinning it down to my shirt, then I am going to sketch or make marks around, leaving at least an inch or more seam allowance, and that's because my shirt stretches less than my dress. Once I get a good sketch, I am going to pin the front part of the shirt to the back part of the shirt, and I am going to move the dress out of the way because I no longer need that pattern. I also only drew on one side of the shirt because we are going to cut what we traced, and then we're going to flip the shirt one side over to the other so that way we can mimic the other side. So all you see me doing here now is following my sketch marks. I know you probably can't see it as well, but I'm following my my line marks that I made with my washable marker. Once you have one side cut out, you are going to use that side for the other side as a pattern. So you're simply going to flip it over or fold the shirt in half. Now I folded mine where you could not see the front pattern. I suggest that you do the opposite so that way you can see it to make sure that it's nice and lined up. But you want to line it up and then pin the sides all together so that way the fabric does not move while you're cutting. And then you're simply going to just follow those lines on around and cut out your other side. Once you have both sides cut out, you then want to open it back up and then flip it right side in and pin your sides together so we can then take it to the sewing machine. Now that we're at the sewing machine, what you're going to do is you're going to start with a zigzag stitch. I am starting with my sleeve portion and I did a back stitch, and then I'm going to zigzag stitch all the way down from the sleeve down to the bottom of the dress. Once I have done that, then I am going to go back with a straight stitch a little further in and do a straight stitch. I like to do both a zigzag and a straight stitch because of course the fabric stretches, so you want to have that zigzag stitch, but my straight stitch gives me a little bit more securement just in case I have to stretch it just a little bit more, and that gives you kind of that warning tear if you break it. Well, this is the finished product, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And definitely look out for the next video. As always, you guys, be unique. See you next week.